In today's video, we are going to cover how to import contacts into Xero. Start by opening Xero and going to the contacts area. From there, select All so you are looking at your full contacts list. This is the page where the import option is available, and it is the right place to begin whether you are adding new contacts or updating ones that already exist in your account. Next, move to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. In that menu, choose Import. This opens the Contact Import area where you can prepare the file that Xero will read. On the import screen, you will see two options that help you get the correct CSV file format. If you need a blank file to work from, click Download Template. If you are planning to update contacts that are already in Xero, choose Export Contacts to CSV instead. That exported file gives you your existing contact details in a format Xero already recognizes, which helps when you need to revise current records rather than start from a blank sheet. Once you have the right CSV file, complete it with your contact information and save it. Make sure the file stays in CSV format when you save, since that is the format Xero expects for the import. If you are working from an exported contacts file, update the relevant fields and save those changes before returning to Xero. Back in Xero, go to the Upload Contacts section and click Select File. Find your completed CSV file on your device and choose it. After the file is attached, Xero will use that file for the next part of the import process. You will then need to decide how Xero should handle empty fields for existing contacts. There are two choices here. You can select Be Ignored, which leaves existing information in place when the matching field in your CSV is blank. Or you can select Delete Existing Information, which clears out existing data in fields that are empty in your CSV file. Choose the option that matches how you want updates applied to contacts that are already in Xero. After that, click Next. Xero will process the file and show you an import summary. Review this summary carefully before finishing. If Xero detects any errors or warnings, go back to your CSV file, correct the issues, save the file again, and upload it one more time. This review step is where you can catch formatting problems or missing information before the import is completed. When the summary looks correct and there are no issues you need to fix, click Complete Import. Xero will then finish importing your contacts into your account. Your contacts are now imported into Xero.